Hi guys, welcome to another JavaScript lecture, and we will continue to talk a little bit about arrays. So in this video I want to talk about array properties and methods. Now arrays in JavaScript have properties, and we already used one very famous property, which is the length property, but there are many other properties that you can use. And you also have methods. Now, I'm going to show you just a few examples, but you have a huge list of properties and methods that you can check out on the description page, or at the end of the course, you have a guide that you can download and check all these properties and methods you can use in arrays. Okay, so I'm going to just use a very famous property, which is the length property. Now, properties and methods are available in arrays in JavaScript because arrays in JavaScript are objects and treated like objects. But you'll learn how to use objects and what objects are later on the course. Okay, don't be scared. It's pretty easy to understand it. So to start, let's create, as always, an array. Let's create a fruit, or let's create variable city equals to, in here let's type New York, and we can type here Miami. Then we can type Lisbon and Madrid. Okay, so semicolon. So one of the most famous that we already used is, you probably know, city.length. Okay, and city.length will return you the number of elements inside, or values inside, an array, so you can check out the length of that array. Okay, so this is a very simple property you can use. There are a few others, but you can check them out on the description page or on your guide. Okay, now what about methods? Let's use a method. Let's use one of my favorites, which is the reverse method. And as the name says, basically we will reverse the order of the array. Okay, so to do it, or to use a method with an array, we just type the name of the array, city dot, and then we type reverse. Now, methods have parentheses like this, okay, always at the end, because they are basically functions. Functions and methods are basically the same, and we can create new methods or functions to use in JavaScript, but JavaScript already has predefined or already built functions that comes already with JavaScript that you can use. Okay, and this is one of them, reverse. Now, the function or the method reverse, let's see what it does to the array. Let's see the result. So now we have reversed the array, but we cannot see anything yet, because to see it on a web page, or to see the result on a web page, as you know, we have to use the for loop. So let's use the for loop. I equals 0, semicolon, and I city, it's less than city.length, semicolon, I plus plus. Now document.write city I and the line break. Okay, let's save this. Let's run it in Chrome. And there it is. Okay, the order has been reversed, and as you can see, New York is first, Miami, Lisbon, Madrid. Now we have Madrid first, Lisbon, Miami, New York. Okay, so this is how you use, let me try another method or a built-in method of JavaScript. Let's use the push method. Okay, so let's type push. And inside the parentheses, we're gonna type any value that we want to add to the array. Okay, so I want to add another city, and let's call the city Paris. Okay, let's save this. Okay, let me run this in Chrome, and there it is. Okay, so you can also put more than one value here. Okay, Dublin. Let's save this, and let's check this out, and there it is. Okay, so you have many methods or functions you can use with JavaScript and with arrays. So check them out and play a little bit with it, and make sure you practice a lot. Okay, guys, so see you guys in the next lecture.